What's up, guys? We're back with another one for you. Alexis finally got to join me. Today we're going to do some trout fishing. We've got trout magnets, power bait, all sorts of different baits to try out. Guys, we've got a couple of surprise catches in this. One that I never would have expected to have caught. And then just a pure shocker of a catch to come up. So stay tuned. There's a whole lot of fish caught here and a couple of really cool surprises.
Oh, I missed him. There he is. Oh, he's got a little size to him. Oh, he might have a little bit of size going on. He's just in that current. He's staying facing down. He said, I ain't giving up nothing. Oh, he is pretty. All right, guys, first fish. Real pretty rainbow. Wait. All right, he's going back home. See if we can do it again. All right, she hooked into one. I'm gonna get out of her way.
There we go. Oh, there's a good size one. Trying to drag up a little bit. Oh, he's fighty. That's a good size. Got one. Just a little guy. Look how pretty they are, though.
Oh, hooked him that time. He's just a little guy. Come here, buddy. Man, some of these fish are real fat and healthy. Other ones are real skinny for some reason. I don't know what's going on. All right. See you later. You live to fight another day. We'll catch you when you weigh a couple pounds, maybe. Oh, he come off. She didn't lose hers though, she's got hers. I think we're gonna change up the color on our trout magnet here. Let's go orange. See what that does. Can we get a fish to be interested in orange? It almost disappears underwater. That's probably not a great sign. But we're gonna try it anyways. Alright, I think we're gonna go change the color again. I don't think orange is the color. Whee! Almost fell in. Let's see. Alright, we're gonna try the chartreuse and see what happens. Got a fish. Alright, they like white pretty well, I guess. Oh, he's pretty. He's a little small to keep, I think. I think we're gonna send him back. Stop it. Alright, enough. Wait. Well, I was gonna show him to you, but he had other plans. So, sayonara, little feller. Found another one. Oh, he's a little guy. Well, I think he's little. I don't know, he's pulling pretty good on me. Oh, no, he's pretty. Man, he's pretty. Oh, he's thick, too. Oh, I bounced him off a rock. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. Okay. He might go on the stringer. Alright, I think we got fish number 1 for the stringer. He's a little... I think he's the first one.
I like it.
You're gonna hook me. You better quit it. You're caught. You're caught. Just give it up, buddy. Alright. If you hook me, we're gonna have a problem. Why y'all gotta be so slimy? There it come out. Alright. They're liking white.
White?
See if we can continue the trend. Let's see if we can find another one. We're having fun now.
Good job. The little thing, little achievement. Oh, there we go. Let's see. And he's not too bad. See how thick he is. Oh, he swallowed that one. And we're going to go ahead and put him on the stringer. Oh, got him another fish. Not bad. Ooh, that is still out. You're gonna end up releasing yourself. Ooh, I just barely. Oh, I got him to the roof of the mouth.
White might be the color. Oh, he's a little guy. Ugh, I can skate him in. Alright, come here, buddy. You got one. Oh, did he come off? No, you still got him. It's a brown.
Look at that brownie.
Hold on.
Oh, he's pretty.
I think I have the prettiest fish of the day. Look at him. Wow. Babe, wait. And not. Guys, I don't know how good the audio is going to be, but it'll just have to be what it be. Oh, wow. Hey, look at him. But look how many dots he's got. Look how dotted up he is. Wow. Oh, look what I got. Oh! Oh! Oh, he's running. Oh, man. it out. Oh, that hurt. That went in my butt. Oh, the shenanigans. Oh, check it out. That is unreal. All right. All right, I'm gonna get him out of the net. Guys, this is a new species in this river called a tiger trout. We can't legally keep him. He's a tiger trout. He's protected right now, but he is a modified hybrid that they're putting in here. We better get him back. He's drying out already. See you later.
We caught the crap out of some rainbows. I caught a tiger trout. I never would have thought I would have ever catch a tiger trout in my life. I've seen pictures of them. I thought they're the coolest thing. This river flooded really, really badly a few months ago and flooded out all the hatcheries. So they lost all their progress on the rainbows, the browns, and I guess they were working on these hybrid tiger trout. They are cool looking. I love them, and I'm going to try to go for some more because if I could get a big one, it's definitely going to go on the wall. We had the giant carp.
Oh my goodness.
That was insane. That thing just kept pulling and pulling and pulling. That ultralight rod did not like it. But it has been an incredibly long day. I got off work this morning, worked all night, got off work this morning, drove 2 hours to fish. Car's saying 101 degrees. I'm ready to go home and pass out.
I'm super tired also.
Guys, we're going to get home, get some sleep.
Had a blast.
Look at the ducks. As we're about to leave, we're watching some ducks fly in. Guys, we're going to head home. Definitely keep track of us. Like, subscribe. We're going to be posting some more videos. We'll holler at y'all later. Thank you.